Are you looking for the best road bikes under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best road bikes under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vilano R2. For our first product of the day, we will be reviewing the R2 commuter aluminum road bike from Vilano. This is an entry-level road bike and is very affordable and suitable for beginners for their daily commutes. The 6061 double-butted aluminum aero frame and a 050 thumb shifters of the bike gives it a very light overall weight. This frame is paired with a 700cx 25mm double-walled CNC machined wheelset which is further equipped with quick-release skewers. This versatile bike is also fitted with a Shimano 21-speed drivetrain to give it the capability of performing well even in rough roads and terrible terrains. While the front derailleur is Shimano, the back one is a Shimano Tuono. Although the bike is sold only partially assembled, assembly of the bike is a fairly easy chore because of the informative instruction guidebook that Vilano provides with all its bikes. Number 2. Eurobike 21. The Eurobike Yorks 550 road bike was tailor-made for beginners and people who are still learning how to ride bikes. It is reasonably priced and with its high carbon steel frame body, it is also moderately lightweight. This inexpensive bike comes incorporated with Shimano derailleurs, TZ30 and 50 for the front and back respectively, and a Shimano 30 shifter that assists you in smooth shifting of the gears. Firm and secure braking is assured by the Shimano drivetrain 160mm aluminium dual disc brakes that this bike is assembled with during manufacture. You're going there. You can't deny that this bike is really safe on the road. It includes a top-of-the-line athletic iron handlebar that keeps the rider balanced and comfortable. You'll like the ergonomic seat, which has been precisely designed to ensure your riding comfort. Because you have lower back rests and an upright riding position, you can wave goodbye to back problems. The seat height can be adjusted precisely. On the road, the 7 Plus free wheels are incredibly smooth. Number 3. Hiland Daring. Similar to other bikes by Hiland, the commuter is also made for superior comfort while riding with its lightweight aluminum body and top-notch handlebar. Side by side, the body of the bike is compact and is structurally designed to provide added coziness to all riders. It can also carry heavy load of up to 330 pounds, which is enormous. The bike has a wide range of gearing because of the 3x7 Shimano A050 gear shifter that it uses. With the help of this, you could also use your bike for uphill riding while maintaining the same speed that you would have on flat terrain. The gears are very useful, smooth and efficient and will always provide you with the optimum level of performance. Whether you are coming back from a break or if you are totally new to cycling, this bike is incredible for riders of all levels due to its nice features and high level of suitability. Moreover, the bike comes with a 5 years frame warranty and US-based customers get a great feedback service from Hiland as well. Number 4. Vilano Tuono T20. The name of this bike is pretty self-explanatory. The Tuono T20 commuter from Vilano is a rather low-cost price which is very suitable for new learners and is a highly recommended product in our list of the best road bikes under $400. The frame of this bike is a 6061 lightweight aluminum one combined with a 050 thumb shifters. For the wheels, a 700cx 25mm double-walled CNC machined wheelset paired with quick-release skewers is used. To give the bike the ability to function well in difficult road conditions, a Shimano 21-speed drivetrain is used and at the front and back Shimano Tuono derailleurs are used respectively. It also comes with dual disc brakes for responsive braking. Although the bike is sold partially assembled, assembly of the bike is a fairly easy task and does not require professional help. After you are done putting all the pieces together, all you need to do is pump air into the tires and then you will be good to take your bike out on its first ride.